Okay, so, oh, the sun.
You're going the wrong way. You're supposed to face. You're supposed to face. No, you have to turn all the way around.
It's in my face.
Well, that's the only way it's gonna work. Unless you can stand in the garage.
Wait, okay, I'm in the, look at me. I'm in the garage, no sun. Okay, so, this is another part of my face. Oh my God, the chin. Is this the angle? Is this the angle y'all do? I'm asking my daughters, is this the angle they do to get stuff right, to hide the extra stuff? Okay, so I'm on another journey of, what do we call it, redecorating, refinishing, redoing my house. So I'm working on some stuff in my bathroom. I already got the mason jars. I'll be painting those in a bit. Oh, okay, so I'm working on the hall bathroom, which is my daughter's bathroom, and I'm working on using mason jars. So I have the 2 mason jars. It's gonna go on top of the candlesticks inside, but I'm gonna start out by painting these. I'm gonna go black in the soap dispenser. I'm gonna do this one 2-tone. I'll do this one first. I put a piece of tape on the front so the hole won't get clogged. You see what I did there?